Okay, so the rule, remember the rule, oh my gosh, my voice is cracking. Remember the rule when it was like this? What did we know about this arc and this angle?
They're big and smaller. Oh,
That's the other thing that we did yesterday. They're not equal.
Oh yeah, one of them.
No, it's
one's
two.
half the other.
Yes, so if this was, let's say, 60 degrees, this is 30 degrees. That one inside is 30. Remember that?
Yeah.
Well, the rule is the same with a tangent and a secant that hits the edge of the circle like that. This guy, if this guy is x, this guy is 1/2 of x. So this is kind of easy to figure out, but there's extra steps, and what happens is a kid does one step and thinks they're done, and then they don't finish it, and they get it wrong. So what is 360 minus 182? 178. So we know this guy is 178. So what is half of 178? 79 degrees. 89 degrees. So that's what x is. That would be your answer to that problem. So the other problems are going to look like railroad crossing signs. Everybody see a railroad crossing sign?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like this. But these, it's going to be like a railroad crossing sign where they didn't make the center in the center. Okay? So let's say they tell me that this is 80 degrees right here. Well, we know that since it forms an X and they're vertical angles, that this guy here is going to be 80, right?
Yeah.
And let's say they say that this arc here is 110 degrees, and they want to know what this one is. Since it doesn't come out of the center, the arc that it intercepts isn't going to be equal to the angle, okay?
Yeah.
But what do you think would be a logical way to find x? If you think about it, you know that the x and the 110 are two different numbers, but they result in an 80 in the middle in that x. So what it is the average of the arcs equals the angle. Everybody see that? The average of these two arcs equals the angle. When you find the average of two things, you add them together and divide by 2. So then you have that x plus 110 equals 160. So x equals 50 degrees.